Hey guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to niche down on the type of content that you see on TikTok. In other words, how to stop seeing certain content that you are not interested in. So one thing you need to consider firstly is when you get on the app, you are there for certain experiences. However, there are certain type of posts that you are not interested in seeing, or you only stick to a certain category of post or content that you are solely interested in. Some people they prefer to niche down, others they don't mind having a wide variety of content to view. So with that being said, let's open the app, and the first thing I'm seeing here is a man talking, and for me, mostly my type of content to enjoy are hair, makeup, skincare, and lifestyle content on a whole. Now, this video, I don't think he's saying anything that maybe I'm not interested in, but let's just say that I'm not interested in his content right now. So the quickest way to maybe not see any type of content like this, or maybe from this guy's account, is to hold on the middle of your screen, and you're gonna see some options. Now, what you're looking for is the one that says not interested with the broken heart. So once you tap on that, it's going to skip past the video, move on to what's next, and I'm not going to be seeing any more content from this person anymore. I also might not be seeing content similar to his anymore as well. So that is the quickest and easiest way to niche down on the content, or to not see certain posts from certain creators anymore. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.